Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to split payment on Expedia, so make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. First of all, you're going to choose which hotel you want. Suppose we want this one, Hotel Ambassador. So we click on this one. After that, you're going to scroll down, let it load for a second, and when it loads up, what you're going to do is click on reserve a room and then select what room that you want. Let's say we want this one, right? So we're going to click on reserve just like that and let it load. So now it's going to load into this page. What you're going to do basically is scroll down, and if you see like in payment method split payment option here, you're going to click on that. But if that is not available, then you're going to click on monthly payments, and then you're going to click on see if you qualify. From there, you can see that they have different options like this every month, and there will be 12 month, this every month, blah blah blah. So you're going to click on see if you qualify. From there, you need to put in your mobile number and remember this device and continue. From there, what they're going to do is send for verification. Once you verify and everything, you'll be able to do that monthly payment instead of a one-time payment. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.